Check out my Township game today. I will teach you how to download the Township hack and the Township mod for iOS and Android. It is super cool, fully working APK, guys. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So to download this, we need to go to this site. It's called zoomods.com. They got tons of apps on this site. So let me just type it in right here. So once you get onto the site, guys, as you can see, there's a lot of interesting apps, but today we're just going to do Township. So I'm going to type in Township, and there it is, Township mod. So just press on the top one and it will start downloading. Now before we can actually download this onto our device, there's going to be one more step, guys, which is a verification. So what we got to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store and they're completely free. So let's just wait for this to download here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright, so here we go. Should be done any second now. Alright, and let's see. Okay, so it says please install 3 free apps. So you got to download 3 of these apps. They're from the App Store and they're 100% for free. Now they've all got different instructions. So this one says run for 30 seconds. This one says reach level 10. So just do whatever you feel like. But they're completely free, so you just download them. And I did this one, Family Island, where you have to reach level 10. So it's like a game and you just gotta play it. So anyway, guys, after you do this, you will get your Township hack. So you can see it says complete some offers to continue. So there's a bunch of them, guys. They have like an AI you can talk to. And if you see different apps, that's totally fine. It just means that you're in another country than me. I mean, it doesn't matter. But anyway, here's some AI response right here. You can see it says how to do the easiest app. So if you're poor, guys, in Township, be sure to try this method out. It fully works and it is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is totally updated, guys, and it's 2025 version. So peace out.